Hey guys! Today we're revealing an Amazon home and kitchen gadget that's not just a game changer, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or just simplifying your day, this gadget is about to make your life 100 times easier and comfortable. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Trust me, once you see this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Get ready for the ultimate kitchen hack that's taking over the internet. Let's dive in. Imagine bringing the joy of an ice cream shop right into your home. With the Ninja Swirl by Creamy Ice Cream and Soft Serve Maker, Sorbet, Milkshake, Frozen Yogurt, Low Calories Program, and more, Creamy Swirl 16-ounce pints for kids and all ages, NC 701, you can scoop or swirl your favorite frozen treats at the touch of a button. Choose from 13 one-touch programs, including soft serve, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and even high-protein, low-calorie options. Add your favorite mix-ins, chocolate, nuts, fruit, for a treat as unique as you are. Introducing the Dome 2 Air Fryer, extra large with superior airflow, self-cleaning smart digital, where speed, power, and convenience meet, with 360-degree heating technology, dual heating elements, and whisper quiet operation. You'll cook 32 crispy wings in just 14 minutes, 30% faster than traditional air fryers. From steak to pizza, enjoy 15-in-1 multifunction cooking for all your favorite meals. Plus, the self-cleaning mode keeps it spotless with zero effort. Designed with a PFA S-free non-stick ceramic basket, it's safe, easy to grate, slice, and shred effortlessly with the Cambomb 5-in-1 rotary cheese grater hand crank cheese shredder. With 5 sharp stainless steel blades, you can prep cheese, vegetable, nuts, non-slip suction base, black, and even crush ice in seconds. The non-slip suction base keeps it sturdy for safe, easy use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and compact for storage. Grate smarter, not harder, but use comfortable. The perfect travel mug for any moment. Enjoy 360-degree sipping with a simple press. No need to search for the drinking spot. Leak-proof and spill-proof, this 17-ounce insulated travel mug keeps drinks hot for 6 hours or cold for 12 hours. Crafted from stainless steel with a non-slip grip, it's durable, BPA-free, and easy to clean. Perfect for commuting, workouts, or travel. Cook anywhere, anytime with the Drizzle Electric Hot Pot Cooker. This portable 1.8-liter multifunction cooker lets you steam, boil, fry, and simmer with ease. Perfect for dorms, offices, and travel. With 5 adjustable settings, a smart reservation function, and overheat protection, it's safe, convenient, and effortless. Plus, the non-stick ceramic glaze liner makes cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious chopping with the Gorilla Grip garlic press and peel set. Designed with a slip-resistant, ergonomic handle, this heavy-duty zinc alloy press effortlessly minces multiple cloves at once. No strain, no mess. The BPA-free, rust-resistant chamber ensures durability, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. This 3-in-1 set includes a silicone peeler for hassle-free peeling and a precision brush for easy maintenance. Bring the ultimate dining experience home with the CAN Hot Pot and Grill combo. Enjoy Korean BBQ and hot pot in one, perfect for gatherings of 2 to 12 people. With separate temperature controls, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and powerful 2,200 watts heating, you can grill steaks while simmering soup at the same time. The smokeless design, non-stick surface, and anti-scald handles make cooking safe and effortless. Whether it's a family dinner or a party with friends, this all-in-one cooking device makes every meal special. Upgrade your kitchen with the UltraBlade PRO Auto Stop Can Opener. Rechargeable electric can opener for kitchen for seniors with arthritis. This one-touch, hands-free opener effortlessly slices through cans with smooth-edge side-cut technology, keeping food safe and lids easy to remove. With a powerful motor, USB rechargeable battery, and auto shutoff, it's designed for efficiency and convenience. Plus, it's whisper quiet, perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, and busy cooks. Compact and wall-mountable, it's the ultimate kitchen essential. Make fresh, healthy plant-based milk in minutes. Introducing the 47-ounce nut milk maker, your all-in-one solution for homemade soy, almond, oat, and coconut milk. With its 16-blade stainless steel cutter, it ensures ultra-smooth blending for rich, creamy results. One-touch self-cleaning means no mess, while the keep warm and timer functions let you wake up to fresh, warm milk. Large capacity, effortless use, and pure nutrition, because your health deserves the best. Grate, slice, and shred effortlessly with the Cambomb 5-in-1 rotary cheese grater hand crank cheese shredder. With 5 sharp stainless steel blades, you can prep cheese, vegetable, nuts, non-slip suction base, black, and even crush ice in seconds. The non-slip suction base keeps it sturdy for safe, easy use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and compact for storage. Grate smarter, not harder, but use comfortable. Say goodbye to tedious chopping with the Gorilla Grip garlic press and peel set. Designed with a slip-resistant, ergonomic handle, this heavy-duty zinc alloy press effortlessly minces multiple cloves at once. No strain, no mess. The BPA-free, rust-resistant chamber ensures durability, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. This 3-in-1 set includes a silicone peeler for hassle-free peeling and a precision brush for easy maintenance. The Crownful Food Dehydrator machine is designed for efficient, even drying with 600-watt power, a rear-mounted fan, and 360-degree hot air circulation. Featuring 7 stainless steel trays, adjustable temperature 85 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 48-hour digital timer, it ensures perfectly dehydrated snacks like jerky, fruit, and herbs. The BPA-free, food-grade materials, quiet operation 48 decibels, and auto shutoff offer safety and convenience. Plus, its award-winning design and paperless online recipes make it a smart, eco-friendly choice for every home.